Our research title is all about a study on the relationship between romantic love and general academic efficacy among GFA senior high school students' education in Taytay Rizal. Background of the study. This study focuses on the relationship between students' romantic love and general academic efficacy. Therefore, this research aims to understand the causal factors of the emerging social problem. The researcher purposely collected data from 285 selected female senior high school students in Ghana through questionnaires and interviews. Statement of the problem. The statement of the problem in this study is to investigate the potential correlation, knowing what will happen between romantic love and a person's overall academic effectiveness or performance.
Chapter 1: Significance of the study. This study will help to expand people's knowledge of romantic love and general academic efficacy. Included in this study is how romantic love affects general academic efficacy. This study explores how romance affects the academic performance of the students, determining the motivation and well-being of students in education environments requires an understanding of this relationship. Scope and delimitation. This study will be more focused on determining the relationship between romantic love and general academic efficacy among senior high school students. The participants are limited only to senior high school students in Golden Faith Academy Senior High School. Operational definition of terms. Number 1. General academic efficacy. It refers to a student's ability to master every various academic challenges. Number 2. Romantic love. It involves two people having a passionate affection for each other. Number 3. GFA senior high school students. Refers to the senior high school students who are currently enrolled in Golden Faith Academy for the school year 2023-2024. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. This study examined the discriminant and predictive validity of a self-report measure of self-efficacy. In this research, they used a quantitative research design to gather information. Some participated through media platforms. Using these platforms, they have findings in single-sex schools. Here, students are almost dependent on their parents to make the right decision. Those in romantic relationships need their parents' guidance to make the right decision. This research only affects age 19 and 25. This study examines the impact of romantic relationships on learning research instruments. For the research instruments of the study, they used a questionnaire survey. The quantitative research design is linked to this to gather more data and also for those who answered the survey. Here to know the effects of romantic relationships. This study focuses on the relationship between authoritative and permissive parenting style, peer relationship, and academic self-efficacy, which is important for the development of the child's knowledge. A total number of 138 participants through purposive sampling on social media platforms. The data was collected using a Qualtrics questionnaire. It was discovered using the online platform. One must be Malaysian undergraduate student currently enrolled in their Malaysian university. One must be between the ages of 19 to 25 and one must be engaging in a romantic relationship.
For our research design, this study at Golden Faith Academy Senior High School in Taytay Rizal will utilize a correlational design to explore the connection between romantic love and academic efficacy among senior high school students. Surveys will be administered to a randomly selected sample to collect data on students' romantic relationship experiences and their perception of academic abilities. Through correlation analysis, the study aims to uncover any potential relationship between romantic love and academic performance among GFA senior high school students. The two main variables of this study is romantic love and general academic efficacy. For our research instrument, the study aims to explore the relationship between romantic love and academic performance among GFA senior high school students utilizing a variety of research instruments. Surveys contain questions on romantic relationship and academic self-efficacy will serve as the primary tool. Measuring factors such as relationship satisfaction, time allocation between study and romance, and perceived academic abilities. Depending on the survey format, students may also respond to open-ended questions to provide deeper insight into their experiences. Additionally, short, focused interviews with a subset of students will be conducted to gain a more lucid understanding of their perspective on balancing academic and romantic life. By employing a combination of surveys and interviews, the study seeks to comprehensively investigate the link between romantic love and academic success among high school students.
The focus of this study is the individual's GFA senior high school student. Romantic love and academic efficacy are personal experiences and beliefs that differ from each student. Therefore, the research will examine each student's experience with romantic love and their perception of how well they can do in school as the main units of analysis. In simple terms, the researcher wants to understand how GFA students' personal experience with romantic relationship affect their beliefs about how well they can succeed in school. They'll use surveys and interviews to gather information about this connection. Chapter 4, Units of Analysis. The study on the relationship between the romantic love and general academic efficacy among GFA senior high school students in Taytay Rizal likely considers the individual's GFA senior high school students as the units of analysis. It aims to explore the relationship between romantic love and the academic self-efficacy, which are personal experiences and beliefs specific to each student. Therefore, the researcher focuses on examining the students' personal experience with romantic love and their perception of academic effectiveness as the central units of analysis.
This research investigates the relationship between romantic love and academic motivation, performance among students at Golden Field Academy Senior High School. Data analysis. Students were grouped based on their relationship status, single, dating, and reported academic confidence. Researchers will use tests to see if there are significant difference in academic confidence between students in different relationship groups. They will also explore how connected relationship satisfaction is to students' scores on academic self-efficiency, confidence in academic abilities. Results analysis summary. The study involved 2,239 students aged 16 to 24, average 17.5 years. There were more females, 65.5%, than males, 38.5%. STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Math, had the most students, followed by ABM, HUMS, ICT, and Tourism. Gender and performance. A weak positive correlation found between sex and academic performance for both males and females. This suggests a slight trend or better performance, but it wasn't statistically significant. Analyzing the subgroup allows researchers to see if the influence of sex of performance differ within each group. Overall, this study aims to understand how romantic relationship might be linked to academic motivation and performance for GFA senior high school students.
Discussion. The study at Golden Faith Academy Senior High School focused on the three main areas: analyzing the quality of romantic relationships, evaluating academic efficacy, and exploring the relationship between romantic quality and academic performance among students. The researchers found out that students at GFA Senior High had above average romantic relationship quality scores, indicating high relationship satisfaction, an impressive general weighted average exceeding the typical range, suggesting strong academic efficacy. The study revealed a moderately positive correlation between relationship quality and academic performance, with a statistically significant link at the 2% level and a Spearman correlation coefficient of 0.4512. This connection aligns with previous research suggesting that positive relationship can enhance emotional well-being and academic achievement. The findings implied that fostering healthy romantic relationship could contribute to improve academic success among students.
Conclusion, the study examined the relationship between romantic relationship and academic performance among senior high school girls in Ghana. It revealed a notable difference between students in single-sex and mixed-gender schools, with a higher percentage of students in mixed schools facing difficulties balancing romantic relationship and academics. This suggests a potential negative impact of romantic involvement on academic success in co-educational environments. This study emphasized the importance of implementing effective strategies to assist students in mixed schools in managing these challenges and staying focused on their academic goals. Recommendation: the study investigated the correlation between romantic love and academic efficacy among GFA SHS students in Taytay Rizal. The findings suggest that this information can be used to guide the creation of educational initiatives within the school to enhance student social and academic welfare.